Meow-Lot, have you seen this? Are cats really scared of cucumbers?
Meow.
I thought you said you weren't afraid of cucumbers. Sir Meows-Lot, this is silly. You need to get past your fear. Cucumbers are great vegetables.
Meow, meow, meow.
I'm gonna help you get over your phobia, okay? That's why I'll be putting these all over the house. Relax, Sir Meows-Lot. I'm just bringing you a shower snack.
Meow.
I thought it was a banana. Sir Meows-Lot, there's nothing to be afraid of.
Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Sir Meows-Lot, where are you?
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
I'm proud of you for overcoming your fear, Sir Meows-Lot. I can't believe you were afraid of cucumbers.
Meow, 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 meow.
What do you mean they're not what I think they are?
Sir, tell us more about this Sir Meowsle.